What's up guys? In this video I'm going to show you that how you can find your Snapchat friends that you have deleted without their username. How you can find them. So let's jump into the video. What you need to do first, you have to go to on Snapchat. After opening the Snapchat, you have to go to on your profile just like this. After going to your profile, what you need to do, you have to click on settings option. Then you have to scroll all the way down. Please guys, make sure you watch the full video because this is the only way that you can find them. So I hope you will watch till the end to find them without their username. So after scrolling that, you have to click on this option, my data. Okay, after clicking on my data, what we need to do, you have to uncheck all the boxes here that we need to export our data from Snapchat to our email. So we need our chat history and our profile history, not others, memories, rankings, support history, shopping, spotlight. You have to uncheck all of those things. Just check in the top two box. After doing so, you have to click on next. Then you have to select the time zone that you have deleted your friends from your Snapchat. So I have deleted my friends in the last week. So you have to click on last week. Then you can put your email address in here that you want to get the email from Snapchat. Okay, after doing so, you have to click on next. There will be a button from next. I have already sent them two emails, that's why this is showing. Then you have to click on next. After doing so, Snapchat will send an email to you just like this. You will receive an email just like this one. Okay, just like this one. After receiving the email in 5 to 10 minutes, you will land a page just like here. Then you need to click on this option like here. Please click here. You have to click here blue option just like this. After doing so, you maybe have to log in to your Snapchat account here. You can do it. Say this is safe. Okay, after logging into your Snapchat account, you will land a website just like this. Okay, after doing so, you can see here is an option called see exports. You will find an option called this just like this, see exports. You have to click on see exports. Then you have to click on download. This is our zip file, our data's zip file. We need to download this file. After clicking on download, you have to go to your files option to unzip the file. You have to go to your files, then you have to go to on download. After going to files and download, you can see here is the option. You can find the option files just like this zip file. You need to unzip it. You have to click on this option. Then you have to check all the boxes on. Then you have to click on extract just like this, extract. After unzipping the file, you will find a file just like this, my data. After finding the file, you have to click on my data. Then you have to click on HTML. After doing so, you have to find the option called friends, accounts, Bitmoji, chats, friends, just like this. You have to click on friends option just like this. Then you have to select a browser, any browser. I'm going to click on Chrome browser. After opening in Chrome browser, you'll find a page just like this. Then you have to looking for a option called deleted friends. Then here you can see this is our deleted friends option that we have removed or deleted in this time frame. This is our data from our Snapchat. You can find your friends username from here, that you can add them again by their username. So this is how you can find your friends from Snapchat after you have deleted them. So I hope you like this video, and if you find this video helpful, please leave a like on this video and subscribe my channel for more video like this. Peace.